our smart lock goes into lock position, kids leave door open and then forget about this thing and slam it several times. They even damage the door jamb. I was trying to fix it. Oh, I already removed it. So I was trying to fix it and it still happens. So I found a fix. Like I said, I already removed this one. I ordered a plate that has this bigger lip and I'm gonna install it right now, and it's supposed to hide all these damages. So let's just install this one. Chisel or sharp knife should do it. Decided to go with a multi-purpose tool instead of the chisel. Okay, so now it's nice and tight.